So today we are discussing use of social media for your benefit. If you are a student, especially a college student, oh my God, this session will be amazingly of value to you. Now the golden rules for the session. Time does not matter here. You are here for the next 1 hour, 45 minutes, whatever timings, it does not matter. What matters is how much you are here with 100% focus, because time is not our biggest asset, focus is. If you are here with 100% focus, you will take value from this session. Everybody has 24 hours in a day, not everybody is successful. The person who can maintain focus, 100% focus for most amount of work gets more successful. What does that mean? That means that if you are here with a mobile phone in your hand, with some other app open, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, please don't do that. Either you be 100% there, you might gain something, or you be 100% here. If you are 100% here with me for the next 1 hour, I promise you, you will get amazing value from this session.